Friends, in this video, I will show how to find all shortcut key commands in MS Word. So, let's start. After opening MS Word file, type Alt plus F8 key. Now, select Word Commands from Macros in Options. Type List Commands in the macro's name, and click on Run. Create a new document list, which is selected for current keyboard settings. Click on OK, and you can see all MS Word shortcut key commands here. Here is the command name, modifier, and key for all shortcuts. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.